ready, Nathan?
Hey y'all, Dyin Barbecue out here in front of the grill again today. Colder temperatures are coming up. It's time to do something a little different out here on the Pit Boss. Today we're going to be doing a jambalaya. There's lots of different ways to make it. I'm going to show you how I like to make it. But if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, punch the like button. Let's do a jambalaya out here on the Pit Boss. I got all my ingredients laid out here. What we've got here is we've got some onions, bell peppers, diced tomatoes. Super simple. We're going to get to throwing that thing together. First thing I'm going to do is heat up my cast iron. I got a little bit of butter in this thing. We're going to chuck it on the grill. We're going to be cooking today at 350 degrees. Let's get it going. We're going to let that cast iron get heated up, let that butter get melted down, and then we're going to start building this thing. Alright, so that cast iron's got hot, that butter's melted down. Now we're going to add in our veggies. So this is just 1 onion, 2 bell peppers. We got a red and we've got a orange. We're just going to chunk that off into the cast iron here. We're going to let those veggies sweat down a little bit. Let them get translucent. Then we're going to add in our sausage. Alright, so our veggies are sweated down. They're smelling great. It's time to add in that sausage. Add in the sausage. Let it kind of get a little bit of color. And then we'll come back and add in the rice and the chicken broth and those diced tomatoes. Okay, so that sausage is getting a little color on it. We're ready to start with the next step. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning. Add whatever Cajun seasoning you want. I'm using the Pit Boss Cajun rub. We're just going to add that in there. About 2 tablespoons is what we're going to put in. Then we're going to come back with our diced tomatoes, 1 can. Then we've got our rice. This is about 1 1/4 cups of uncooked rice. We're going to add that in there. Well, stir that up. Make sure that rice is all blended in with everything. Then we're going to come back, and this is 2 cups of chicken broth. We're going to add that in there. Give it another little mix. And then we're going to take and cover it up. We're going to let that thing cook covered for about 45 minutes, maybe an hour. We just want all that liquid absorbed, and we want that rice to be tender. Alright, so we're back. That jambalaya's been on the Pit Boss for about 45 minutes. I just took a peek at it, and it's looking great. I'm going to bring y'all in here, show you what we're looking for. Let's get you in closer so you can see that jambalaya. This right here is exactly what you're looking for. All that liquid has absorbed. That rice is tender. We're going to get this thing off of here. Let it rest up. Then we're going to be eating. Alright, so you saw it up close. That stuff looks delicious. Let me tell you, it smells delicious. We just cooked up a jambalaya out there on the Pit Boss, and this is what you're left with. Smoky goodness, something that'll warm you up on a cool day. And hey, if you like what you see here, I got an Instagram page at Dyin Barbecue. I also got a Facebook page, Dyin Barbecue. We just cooked up jambalaya, and let me tell you, it's gonna be hot, but it's delicious.